In this video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A37. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside the box and of course how the phone looks like. So let's get right into it. All right, there we go. We can open our box. We can see our phone pretty much straight away. We're gonna take a look at it just in a second, but first let's take a look inside of here where we should be able to find our paper box. There we go. So let's see what we can find here inside this box. So on the reverse side, we can find the SIM eject tool. This is pretty standard. Now in here, if we open the paper box, there we go. We should be able to find, of course, our documentation. This is pretty standard, but also we have the USB cable and there is nothing left in here. So let's put this to the side for now. So as you can see, we have the USB-C cable. It is USB-C to USB-C. There is also the documentation. As I mentioned before, we have the quick start guide. We have the information about, for example, the IP rating in here and the warranty card. All right. So I think now we can take a look at the phone itself. There we go. It comes out really easily. I have chosen this beautiful purple color, and this is how the phone looks like right now. So nothing unordinary, of course, at the first look. Here on the right side, we can find our buttons. So we have the power button and volume buttons. We have this like a tiny island, like a little bump in here. At the top, we have two dots. So I assume that one of them is the air vent circulation or something like that. And the other one is probably the microphone, although I would have to verify that. At the bottom, here we can find the speaker. I assume these two dots are for the microphone, but once again, I would have to verify that. It is a little bit unusual that we have two dots in here, so I will check in a second. We have the USB-C port and of course our SIM tray. There is nothing on the left side. Let's take a look at the back side. Of course, we have our cameras with the flashlight. I really like this color. All right, let me just quickly look. Let me try to find the information about the layout. Okay, so after checking the official layout, at the top we actually have a speaker and a microphone. So here on the left side is actually a tiny hole for the speaker, and then here we have the microphone. Whereas at the bottom of the phone, in here, we should be able to find in this place the air vent hole, which I thought is at the top. It is actually at the bottom here. And this hole is the microphone, I believe. Yes, that is about it. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.